it's Taya. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy video on how to refresh an old wash and go. Getting cute for Valentine's Day even when you don't have time on your hands. So as you guys can see, my hair is hella dirty. I'm like, yo, what am I going to do with this mop on top of my head? Finally figured it out. I'm just parting my hair right now just to kind of see how and where I want to go with this hairstyle. And I decided to go back to an old hairstyle of mine. I might insert a clip here if I can find a picture of how I used to rock my hair back in the day. But I was just feeling a little nostalgic, so I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and do that. So that is what I did. So as you guys can see, I am trying to part through this hair, but honey, let me tell you, it is not easy. When my hair gets matted, oh girl, it gets matted. So now that we've gotten that part done, we're gonna go ahead and pack the rest of it up. I've already parted my hair, as you guys can see here, into sections. I decided that I'm gonna add a little flare to this style. So I'm just gonna be doing 2 flat twists on the side of my hair. This is perfect for those of you that can't cornrow. I know sometimes you guys have issues cornrolling, or some of you just can't. So this is perfect for you. All you have to do is flat twist your hair, take you a little rubber band, and just tie it up. So initially I was gonna do 3. That was a fail, so I decided to just go ahead and do 2. Here I'm adding some jelly. I think it was like some edge control, and I just wanted to make sure that that was nice and sleek. So I'm doing my flat twist again, just adding my rubber band, and that's pretty much it. All right, so let me go ahead and quickly address the elephant in the room, ladies. If you guys don't have a Valentine's Day, that is okay, boo. You can get dressed up, do your lashes, do your makeup, and go out by yourself. That is not lame, and don't let nobody tell you that it is. And if you have some girlfriends, you can go hang out with them. I think the style is perfect either way. So if you don't have a Valentine's Day, don't worry, boo. God loves you, and you still cute, okay? So here I'm just refreshing my hair. So I'm taking the same products that I used previously for my wash and go. Stay tuned for that. It should be out very soon. So I use the same products, and I'm just adding some water to my hair, spraying a little bit more of that leave-in, and then taking the Wet Line Extreme Gel, which I used before, just to ensure that I get maximum poppage. If you guys know me like I think y'all do, y'all know I love for my curls to pop, especially the ones that people are gonna see in the front. Like, come on, yeah, make sure these curls pop. So I'm taking my spray bottle, my water bottle, and I'm just spraying the back of my hair, just trying to get those edges nice and sleek. I'm going to be taking my little rat tail comb and just smoothing that out. Now, if you guys notice, I'm not combing through my curls. We just trying to refresh our hair now. We're not trying to do a whole nother extra style, so we don't want to, you know, take that extra time. If you just smooth the back of your hair out, that should be good enough to make a nice little top knot. So once I'm done putting this little ponytail holder in my hair, and I'm not pulling it tight, as you guys can kind of tell, maybe I left a little bit of hair in the back just kind of loose. I didn't want it too tight. I just twisted up my bun, and then I went on ahead and put another ponytail holder just to hold it. As you guys can kind of see, it's a little messy. That's how I want it. I don't really want it super, super neat. Here is that look. Now I'm just taking my blow dryer, and I'm just kind of stretching my hair. You know, I put a little extra gel, so it was a little stiff, so I wanted to take that blow dryer and loosen it up, and this is how it's looking so far. So now I'm going to be taking some accessories. This is a way for you to just kind of jazz up the style. It is very simple. Just add a couple little beads, and that will give it some extra spruceness. I'm taking my oil, and then I'm just going to be spraying that in, and this is just my curly hair dry oil. It is winter time, guys, so I like to try to keep the moisture in my hair or preserve the moisture in my hair. So now I'm just taking like a little string. You guys know I'm a little extra. You don't have to do this. This is totally optional. But I just thought it was so cute, and it just gives it a little extra, you know, something, something. And here is that look. So now I'm going to be showing you guys look number 2. You can go ahead and take some bobby pins and take your little swoop part and just pin it back and get a little bit more of a sophisticated look. This is perfect for the office, perfect for date night. It's just cute, y'all. You guys can add a lippy. If you don't want a bold lip like how I had it, you can always do something nude. You can put a little stud in your ear. You don't have to wear the hoops. This style is super versatile, guys. So this is pretty much the end of this video, just showing you guys my hair, my Valentine's Day edition. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Remember that if nobody tells you they love you today, I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. You guys know what to do. Stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.